guys, welcome to my channel ArtTube. I'm Ritu and in today's video I will show you how to draw a realistic eyebrow step by step with graphite pencils. So let's get started. I'll be using 2B, 3B, 4B, 6B and 8B pencil along with a charcoal pencil, some erasers, some blending tools, and I will also use this indenting tool. You can use an empty ball pen if you don't have this tool. To begin with, I'm making a basic shape of an eyebrow with HB pencil. And now I'm erasing extra lines. Now I'm using this indenting tool and making strokes like this. You can also use an empty ball pen अगर आपके पास ये tool नहीं है तो. Now I'm using 2B pencil and making strokes like this. मैंने एंड में स्ट्रोक्स का डायरेक्शन डाउनवर्ड करा है जिससे नेचुरल लुक आए. And now with an earbud, I'm blending it out. And now I'm using 4B pencil for darker value and repeating the process. We have to work on layers and हमें light to dark जाना है. और अब मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ 6B pencil for more darker values. The more you add darker values, the more it will look 3D and real. But highlights are equally important. So now we can see जो भी strokes मैंने बनाया था with an indenting tool वहाँ graphite नहीं गया है, as you can see, जिससे we get very nice and precise highlights. यहाँ मैं HB पेंसिल से साइड के हेयर बना रही हूँ to give it more natural look. And now I'm using this charcoal pencil for the darkest value and making strokes carefully like this. I am applying very less pressure, as you can see. And if you guys haven't seen my video on how to draw a realistic eye, then here's the link, and you will also get the link in the description box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did then like, subscribe and share. Video kaisa laga do let me know in the comment box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.